Good afternoon. This is your assignment for Monday, November the 30th. You need to get out this packet, this information from your folder. So get this paper. We're going to work on this paper today. Okay. While you're getting that out, let's talk about what is at the bottom of this paper. It's about mammals. So if you look at these words down here at the bottom, talks about what, these are the characteristics of mammals. So mammals, they breathe air. They breathe air. So respirar aire. They have vertebrae. So vertebrados, this is a vertebrae. So they have a spine going down their back. They have vertebrae. They have hair or fur. So pelo y piel. They are warm-blooded. So warm-blooded. So sangre caliente. They have live babies. So they're bebés vivos. And then they feed their babies milk. So I think it's darles leches. So let's fill this in. So mammals are, and let's look at our list. Let's start off with our first one. Mammals are warm-blooded. Okay, so write that on your paper. Mammals are warm-blooded. I'll give you a second to write this down. So mammals are warm-blooded. Means we can take their temperature. And their temperature is going to be warm, just like you. If you're sick, your mom or your dad might take your temperature. Your temperature should be about 98.9 degrees. If it's warmer than that, it means that you are probably sick. Okay, so let's go ahead and cross out warm-blooded. The next one, mammals are, okay, what's this word when they have a spine? They are vertebrates. Okay, so let's write this word in. So mammals are vertebrates. They have a spine going down their back. Just like you. It's what keeps you standing up straight. Vertebrates. Okay. Mammals must breathe air. So let's write in. Breathe air. Mammals must breathe air. Respirar air. I don't remember how to say air. I think it's aire in Spanish. So mammals must breathe air. Okay, mammals have, oops, I forgot to cross out breathe air. Mammals have hair or fur. Let's write that next one in. Mammals have hair or fur. Pelo o piel. Mammals have hair or fur. Okay, the next one, mammals birth. They birth live babies. Remember, they do not lay eggs. there are only 2 mammals that lay eggs, 2 mammals that lay eggs, the platypus, and there's a certain breed of like an anteater. But other than that, they have live babies. So they're babies vivos. They birth live babies. And on this last one, we're not going to write down that whole thing, because that's a long thing for us to write down here. This is all very long for us to write, so we're not going to write all of this down. We're just going to put down mammals feed babies milk. Okay, so the last one, mammals feed, oops, let me fix my S. Mammals feed babies milk. So they feed them milk. So, darles leche. Okay, then down here at the bottom, I want you to write down what your favorite mammal is. My favorite mammal is a, if you remember right, if you have Andrea in class, she's probably going to write down cheetah. So my favorite mammal is a, and I'm going to put down, my favorite mammal is probably, let's look at this and see if you know what this word is. My favorite mammal is a horse. My favorite animal is a penguin. My favorite mammal is a horse. Okay, so do not write down horse. You write down whatever you want to write down. Okay, so let's go through these together. Follow along with me as I read them to you. Mammals are warm-blooded. Mammals are vertebrates. Mammals must breathe air. Mammals have hair or fur. Mammals birth live babies. And mammals feed babies milk. Okay, here's the next thing that you're going to do today. Get your packet out. Okay, we're going to do this top one. So, tear this off. Okay, and then you also need your wheel. And if you look at the directions, it says that you need to set your wheel on 26C. So set it on 26C. So let's look at our wheel. We're going to find 26. So here is C. We're going to turn our wheel. Put our wheel on 26. Okay, let me fix mine so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so this is where you need to be. You need to be on 26C. So put your wheel on 26C. And then let's look at what the first number is. The first number is 16. So let's find 16. And if we look at 16, it's going to be an M. So if you look at 16, 16 is an M. So you need to write down M. Okay, the next number is 28. Let's find the next number. 28. If you do 28, that's going to be an A. So write in the letter A. And if you look, we've already done the number 16. So you know 16 is going to be M, M. So the next two letters are going to be M, M. Okay, so this is what you're going to do for the rest of the time. You're going to finish using your wheel and then use this paper Once you are finished, get out your glue. Get your glue. You're going to glue both of these papers. Glue this paper and glue this paper into your composition book. So this paper and this paper, glue it into your composition book. Okay, so that's what we're doing today, Monday, November 30th. Have a good day.